So patients are taking. So what should be the criteria when the medicine to be stopped or holiday should be given for some period? Can you highlight in that point?
A person who is diagnosed as ankylosing spondylitis, the first medicine which is written if patient does not have uveitis, extra-articular manifestations, or does not have peripheral arthritis, is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug in therapeutic doses. By saying that, I mean in full therapeutic doses. If you prescribe indomethacin, go up to 150 to 200 milligrams. If you are giving etoricoxib, you go up to 120 milligrams. So in full therapeutic doses, give it for 6 weeks or 8 weeks, and patient usually shows response in ankylosing spondylitis. And that is continued. It is usually said that even if patient is asymptomatic, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs must be continued. The dose can be reduced. So that is the only inflammatory disease where non-steroids are prescribed on a regular basis. But if the patient has peripheral arthritis, then add sulfasalazine. One can add methotrexate. If required, even hydroxychloroquine, which the role is not really known. And then, if one can afford biological agents, if patient is not responding to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and demands.
Biological agents to be given for how many days?
The only agent which is effective in ankylosing spondylitis is anti-TNF agent, and we have 2 preparations available, etanercept and infliximab. And if continued, we have now 10 years of data available, which has shown that it is efficacious without significant adverse side effect. And at AIIMS we have 150 odd patients on these drugs. Fortunately, only 3 patients have developed tuberculosis, because tuberculosis is a concern in these patients. When to stop these medicines is really not known, but what we do, that if patient has attained remission, then we increase the duration. We need, usually if we are using infliximab, we give it 0, 2 and 4 weeks, and then every 8 weekly. So we increase the duration of 8 weekly infusion. We make it maybe 12 weeks or 6 months as patient, but that's not a recommended regime, but we are doing that.
10% from Chittaranjan are going regularly for your checkup at All India Institute. So they are taking medicine for more than 3, from 1 month to 6 months. So whether we will continue medicine or we will gradually reduce the dose, or we will stop, or we will continue the same dose.
See, if the organization can provide the drug, continue medicine.
Organization will provide.
Yes, then continue medicine. That would be better for the patient. 3 years, 2 years is a too short a time to stop the medicine.
If there is no questions, so I will ask the organizer.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. I would request Dr. M.D. Patra to present a memento to Dr. Uma Kumar, or small token of love. Dr. Mrs. Tulu Chakraborty will be helping in the proceeding.
Shut up.